To perform the cable wood chop, anchor your cable low or high depending on your goals. Get a nice firm grip on the cable and make sure your feet are pointed toward the cable machine. Then, with a powerful pull and an exhale, rotate with your arms completely straight as you drag the cable across your body and come on back. When it goes across your lat, you know you've hit the right spot. You should feel tension in your obliques as you rotate your feet in both directions. Continue focusing on your breathing with a strong core, complete with good form through all repetitions. The cable wood chop is an amazing core exercise. We've got a handle and we can anchor a cable up high for some things and low for others. Let's get into it. The cable wood chop is an amazing way to get your obliques working together and to increase your coordination in a way that helps to stabilize your spine and make your core and breathing work together well. Katie's doing a great job stretching all the way into the movement and keeping her arms straight and engaged through the full range of motion. She's also doing an excellent job rotating her feet with her movement and making sure that her core is continually working through all that tension. She knows she's doing it right when the cable hits her right in the lats every time. Excellent job, Katie.